Look at this. There's 3,290 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it daily. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of Link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, to make so much money that you can quit your day job, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to help you do that. On a daily basis, I'm going to cover news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups. I'm going to make sure you make a ton of money in this market. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Let's set the tone real quick. Yesterday, we talked about a setup early in the video. Let's just see what it was. Real quick, this is Bitcoin. This is a setup from this morning I posted. 1 hour chart, bullish pennant. We know Bitcoin right now, and I'm watching it over here, pumped. Now it's starting to pull back. Looking for, a target, possibly 11,600, 11,800. 11,600, 11,800. Here we are. We're at about 11,750. Now, we got this break to the upside out of this bullish pennant. Learn to draw these patterns, guys. Game changer. Game changer. Wait for volume confirmation. See how you got this volume come in? Then you got a retest. Boom, move to the upside. Now, there's some bearish divergence on quite a few time frames, and so I'm going to talk to you about that. So essentially, if Bitcoin doesn't pump here, when you do get a pullback, it's going to be a decent sized pullback. Okay, it's all about to happen. The bulls have to continue to pump this Bitcoin market. Now, this double bottom is playing out. The confirmation line, again, we talked about this, is at about 11,500. Now I want you to look back here in this red circle. You see all these long wicks, long wicks, long wicks. That means intra-week, the price pumped above this 11,550 level, but it didn't close the week above that. Now, obviously the weekly candle closes this Sunday. So a weekly candle above 11,500, we could see obviously 12,200, 13,300, 15,500, 17,000, 20,000. Okay, again, it's not going to happen overnight. Nothing in this market moves in a straight line, does it? No. So, weekly close. Now, again, possible bearish divergence. So, got some shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, I'm up $5,000 on your Augur tip. Remember, we had REP July the 28th. They had Augur version 2, made $5,000. Not even in the group yet. Hit me up and say, hey, I want to join now. Made 5 G's. This person said, since watching your videos and learning your TA, I'm up $30,000 in 3 weeks. Using your trading techniques, he's got the videos. I have amazing playlist, 47 videos in a playlist, Learn to Trade Crypto, it's called. He lets them run 24/7. He goes to sleep listening to the videos. Life-changing money. Listen. $30,000 in 3 weeks. That's solid. Next person joined CBC trading course. This guy's a trucker. I've got actually quite a few people that drive trucks. One guy's actually retiring from driving a truck because he made, I think, $40,000 or $50,000 in a short period of time. The thing is here, he made $700 in a night and a morning on one setup that I posted. That's good money. That's good money for him as a trucker. If you guys want to sign up for the trading group, go to cryptorev.net. Go to my website. Sign up there. Everything's all set up, and you can easily see things explained for you in detail. Ethereum Classic attacked. 51% attack. I'm going to talk to you guys more about this in just a minute. This is a Bitcoin monthly chart. You can see up here, Bitcoin monthly closed was the second highest monthly close ever. Obviously, this was the highest monthly close up here, 20,000 close to. Okay, then we had 14,000. And then this right here, the second highest monthly close. The importance is this is a higher high. Okay, this is a bullish, this is the start of an uptrend. Okay, so now it needs to come down, put in a higher low, and then higher high, higher low, higher high, and we trend higher. The game changes when Bitcoin starts trending higher. Holders make a ton of money when the market's trending higher. We post a ton of midterm holds in the trading group. I've talked to you guys about ZEC, and ZEC has exploded over the last few days. Remember, there's a halving coming in November. They've got a network upgrade that happened recently in July the 16th, and then August the 1st, there was a future-proof conference. So they have a lot of news, and this halving is going to push the price higher. So ZEC as a large cap has been performing real well today. XRP USDT, so this is a midterm hold I had that I posted a couple days ago. Midterm hold, you know, you're buying the breakout of this falling wedge. Now, I didn't give you guys this setup, but I did talk to you about it, mentioned it was a midterm hold that we're holding in the group. And you can see XRP USDT, boom, up 22%. Huge gains since it broke out of this falling wedge. Okay, this is important because XRP has been trending lower, trending lower, trending lower, and finally things changed. Okay, and I've really been talking to you guys about like these midterm hold on these larger caps right now is easy trading, right? You're going to make 30, 40, 50, 60% over the next 3 to 5 weeks, probably more, just depending on what Bitcoin does. That's my strategy. Like, I don't have time to be a day trader. I consider midterm holding some of these larger caps. Now, you can see I posted this setup originally on July the 27th for XRP. Game changer. Now, I'm going to give you guys this setup, BLZ, and I've talked to you guys about this, and I mentioned it on multiple videos. They've got their March to mainnet happening on August the 8th. Okay, mainnet, here we go. And now they've got staking that's going to happen a month after that. So BLZ, now we bought this breakout, and I gave you guys this exact setup before the breakout the other day. Okay, and so it broke out, you got volume confirmation down here, you got a candle body close, right? Ran up. It's up about 29% last time I looked earlier. So then it pulled back and you got a retest. And so we bought this breakout and then people added to their positions on this retest. And so here, again, huge gains, right? Probably if you're midterm holding, you didn't sell the top here and buy back here, right? So you're still up 30%. But I want you to see this bigger pattern. Okay, you always want to zoom out. So we got the mainnet launch. You got this epic rounded bottom with an inverse head and shoulders cup and handle type pattern. Like, you're looking to buy the breakout of this area right here. Here's your targets up here. Huge upside is possible. BLZ mainnet. There's a lot of hype about this. A lot of people are talking about it, so keep an eye on this. Make sure, get a good entry. You're always better buying at support, not chasing these green candles. You know, buying on the move to the downside takes more confidence, takes more knowledge, takes more know-how as far as trading this market. So you start getting caught up. Look here, see these long wicks? People that were trying to catch the breakout here previously, I mean, they caught these wicks and got faked out, right? So you don't want this to happen here. So wait for volume confirmation. You got pretty good volume, and then you need a candle body close. It's very important. BLZ. Now, the Link Marines organizing a pump on Chainlink to liquidate Zeus Capital's LLP's short. So all this drama happened where Zeus Capital came out with this report that said there's a bunch of issues with Chainlink, and everybody thinks they're shorting Chainlink. And so now the Link Marines, I thought they were the Linksters. We're the Linksters. The Link Marines are organizing this pump to the extent that this is supposed to happen tomorrow, and there's even a countdown timer. They're going to liquidate Zeus's short on a Link. But what I would say is, and I gave you guys this setup previously, there's already a bullish pattern happening, taking place on the Link USDT chart. Now, Link is broken out. The link, essentially, we bought this breakout, okay? Midterm hold idea, potentially here. Targets up here, 796, 868. Again, Bitcoin needs to cooperate, but you might end up with this little, even on a pullback, you might end up with this little inverse head and shoulders pattern. See here? Possible. If it doesn't pull back, takes off, perfect. But they're going to pump Link in 22 hours. 22 hours, they're going to pump Link. I don't encourage you guys to get in on this. To me, it's nonsense. But, hey, if we're midterm holding it, they pump it, guess what? We're taking profits. We're taking profits. If you don't take profits, somebody else is going to take your profits from you. Ethereum. I gave you guys this setup. I gave it. We started buying Ethereum down here. 55% gains. Are you serious? Ethereum just doesn't even care anymore. It's up 50%. Ethereum. Short-term target. Smashed it. I gave you guys Ethereum right about here at about $260. It's up here at $368. Life-changing money. The flip side is this. Ethereum Classic suffers this 51% attack, which I mentioned. And you'd be thinking, okay, they just got attacked. The price is going to drop. You better hurry up and sell. I had somebody hit me up in the group, and they're like, hey, you better watch your Ethereum Classic setup. And apparently, Ethereum Classic holders and traders didn't get the memo, or they don't even care. Doesn't even matter. Didn't even move Ethereum Classic here. Midterm hold idea. Buying the breakout here. Now, so Ethereum took off. A lot of times these run together. Ethereum will run with Ethereum Classic or vice versa, right? And so it hasn't popped out yet. So it's undervalued in my eyes. So keep an eye on Ethereum Classic. You could see, $9, $10 Ethereum Classic. It's going to take some time. But when you're thinking about midterm hold ideas, look at this. You got all the major moving averages in order. The 21, the 50, the 80, the 100, the 200. They're in order. That's a good sign of a strong uptrend. Look what happened here. Same thing. They're in order. Price action breaks above the 200, retested it, and then they line up in order. These moving averages line up in order, and look what happens. Boom. Okay, here we are again. Let's go. You got to be able to make money in this market. You have to think ahead. It's like chess. You have to see the moves based on these indicators and these ideas. And I'm going to help you with this on a daily basis. Now, Bitcoin dominance is like the on-off switch for all these altcoins. If you understand this idea, and I talk to you guys about this not every single day, but almost every single day, right? So this is like the on-off switch. Last night I posted this chart at like 4:20 a.m. this morning. And I said, dude, in altcoins, it was like almost like not even worth trading. They were just doing nothing because this was trending higher. So I said, hey, when this reverses and heads lower, along with Bitcoin moving sideways or retracing a little bit, look for money to flow back in the oversold altcoins. Go to the Bitcoin dominance chart. Boom, fell off a cliff, and these altcoins lit up, and they're on fire. Now, looks like, could it possibly break? If this thing rolls over, life-changing altcoin money, period. This thing rolls over, like it looks like it's trying to break down from, this is a bullish pattern. If it breaks to the downside, you're going to see a parabolic drop here. Altcoins will light up and run hard. Now your RSI is oversold. Okay, so we're looking for a bounce just based on that idea, but will it come up here, retest, and continue lower? It's real important to understand this is like the on-off switch. It doesn't get any better than this. Should I short-term trade these altcoins right now? Watch this chart. It's that easy. Bitcoin, when it runs, if you're trying to trade these alt BTC pairs, it's tough because every time Bitcoin makes a move higher, alt BTC pairs take a hit, get wrecked, right? And so you got to find some really strong coins, some really strong setups in order to trade alt BTC pairs. A lot of these USDT pairs do perform better when Bitcoin's trending higher. A lot of the larger caps, especially, the larger caps haven't had their altcoin season. Essentially, that's what we're looking at. Japan's dormant BTC trading accounts wake up as the Bitcoin price rallies. Yeah, listen, Bitcoin investors, Bitcoin traders everywhere, Bitcoin holders are paying more attention. Everybody's watching this. Like, things are happening right now in the Bitcoin market that haven't happened since 2017, 2018. We put in a higher high on the monthly. That's huge. This Japanese crypto exchange called CoinCheck, they stated that trading volume this week has risen 2 to 3 times. So everybody's coming out of the woodwork to trade some Bitcoin. Whales are moving their crypto and tether to these exchanges. You're going to see some big moves ahead. Some life-changing money is coming. Just XRP is up 30%. This states has 30 new whales. And so what's happening is the number of accounts that are holding more than 1 million XRP has increased by 3.7%. The new whales appearing over the last 2 weeks are buying. I would say they bought on technicals, not just on a whim. However, there's some news. The Ripple's director of product, Craig DeWitt, announced there's a P2P payment platform that's built on XRP. And so they're thinking, hey, maybe this could help the price. I think it's more whales and smart money trade on technicals. They do not chase news pumps. Also, this federal court dismisses investors' claims against Ripple regarding XRP. So obviously, this is some good news for XRP holders. ERD, I had a ton of people hitting me up and asking me about ERD. You guys draw some basic lines in these charts and you'll make a ton, save yourself a ton of money. So this is a chart I posted a couple days ago on the 30th, 2 days ago. Watch for an ERD pullback. You got a rising wedge, 68% chance of a break to the downside. Look for a pullback to support. Boom, here we are, pullback to support. Now, if it doesn't bounce right here, if it doesn't bounce here, then it continues to the downside, okay? You gotta have a stop loss. Now, you already had this pretty scammy wick come down here and potentially trigger a lot of these stop losses. You know, these market makers manipulate this market. They try to make you become a buyer again. Your stops are too tight. They're gonna trigger your stop losses, and you're gonna, next thing you know, you're trying to buy ERD again, right? You're FOMOing in. They're getting paid on your transactions. They're getting paid on your buys and sells, a small percentage. So they want as many buyers back into the market as possible. But really important that this support holds. If not, expect more downside for ERD. Dash, this is another midterm hold idea I want to give you guys. Buying the breakout of this level. Dash is up about 14% since I posted this. And again, easy trading, midterm hold ideas, easy trading, level by level. Add to your positions on Bitcoin pullbacks. Let it continue higher. Be patient with these. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.